Welcome back to Trending Farm. Today we will guide you to visit Banana Chip's mega factory, famous for processing millions of bananas using modern technology. In this video, we will explain to you the process of growing bananas and modern banana production lines. Please like the video and share so we can start this discovery process together. Do you believe that bananas are the most consumed fruit in the world? Are bananas really as beneficial to your health as the press claims? Bananas are a delicious choice for snacking, baking, and cooking. In addition, bananas also contain vitamin B6, potassium, fiber, and vitamin C, which help maintain cardiovascular health, promote digestion, and provide instant energy to fitness enthusiasts. In addition to their culinary versatility, used in everything from delicious banana bread to indulgent banana desserts, bananas also boost local economies through agriculture, promoting agricultural consumption in the area. Have you ever visited a large banana plantation? Have you ever wondered about productivity and agricultural practices that ensure profitability? Join us at Trending Farm as we explore these topics further in our upcoming video segments. Before learning how farmers grow and care for banana trees, we invite you to take a panoramic tour of the Dole Banana Farm in South Florida. This is one of the largest banana farms in the United States. This farm supplies bananas to grocery stores, restaurants, and schools across the country. Dole owns a total of more than 1,000 acres at Dole Farms in South Florida and more than 188,000 acres of banana farms worldwide. This farm grows many different types of bananas, including Cavendish, Gros Michel, and Saba, and produces over 10 million boxes of bananas each year. We couldn't take our eyes off the footage of the vastness and lushness of this farm. How about you? If this vastness attracts you, don't forget to like and share the video to encourage us. Okay, now let's see how the workers in the food factory grow bananas. At this farm, banana trees are grown from tubers called seedlings. The selected seedling needs to be healthy, pest-free, with a pseudo-stem about 1.3 to 1.6 feet tall, with 3 to 4 leaves. Farmers will prepare the land for planting while the seedlings are transported. They will create planting holes approximately 1.64 feet deep and 1.64 feet wide. Seedlings are planted in fields and are watered, fertilized, and controlled for pests. With young bananas, farmers need to water regularly, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Combined with periodic fertilization, top dressing 2 to 3 times a year during the period of strong growth. They also regularly weed and cultivate tree stumps to prevent pests and diseases from affecting the tree. Normally, bananas flower about 8 to 12 months after planting. After flowering, bananas need about 3 months to fruit and mature. During this time, farmers will remove banana flowers and cover them with film to protect the banana bunches from insects. When can bananas be harvested? At this farm, bananas are harvested with precision and care to ensure premium quality. After 12 to 13 weeks of growing, skilled banana growers determine the ideal time to harvest the fruit, which is done 6 days a week. Harvesting involves cutting the entire stem with a machete, protecting each bunch of bananas with foam cushions to prevent damage. Bananas are picked when they are still green, so they ripen perfectly later. After harvesting, the leaves are left to decompose and enrich the soil for the next crop. Using an 80-mile cable car system across the farm, harvested bunches of bananas are transported to the packing plant, where they undergo rigorous quality checks. This includes washing, inspection, and packaging into specially designed boxes to maintain freshness and ensure minimal damage during transport to the food factory. Once harvested on farms in Central America, the fruit is quickly transported to food factories in specialized refrigerated containers. Before departure, strict inspections ensure the container's ventilation and refrigeration systems maintain freshness. Bananas can be moved by train or truck. At Lyman's Container Terminal, each of the 2,000 containers is meticulously cleaned, inspected, and connected to our electrical system for the cold chain. Dole's fleet includes the 2 largest reefer container ships in the world, Dole Colombia and Dole Chile, each containing about 1,000 containers. Gantry cranes expedite loading and unloading. Temperature sensors and onboard technicians ensure optimal conditions throughout the 3 to 8 day voyage to US. Upon arrival, the container is quickly unloaded, plugged into shore and prepared for transport by road. Dole prioritizes preserving the fresh flavor from farm to food factory for each banana. In the next part of the video, we invite you to visit the banana chips processing food factory, where modern technology processes millions of bananas into crispy, delicious snacks. Starting from lush banana plantations, professional farmers meticulously plant and harvest bananas. They employ sustainable practices like using green bags to minimize pesticides and ensure consistent growing conditions. At the food factory, bananas are thoroughly cleaned and washed to maintain quality. Selected bananas are precisely cut by hand and go through a pre-cooling process to preserve freshness. Only the highest quality bananas are selected to produce fried bananas in the food factory. Green bananas, ideal for their firmness, are sliced uniformly using advanced machinery. These banana slices are then evenly fried in hot oil to achieve the perfect crispiness. After frying at the food factory, the fried bananas are marinated with many different flavors and carefully packaged by an automatic machine to ensure uniformity and freshness. Each package is rigorously tested before distribution from the food factory, maintaining high standards until it reaches the consumer. The final step in the production process of fried bananas at a food factory ends with packaging of fried bananas. After the bananas are processed, the fried banana pieces are packaged by an automatic packaging machine. This process ensures each package has the same amount and flavor, while also protecting the bananas from moisture and outside air, keeping the fried bananas crispy and delicious. Each package of fried bananas is thoroughly inspected after packaging to ensure the expected quality and taste. Substandard packages will be discarded to ensure only the best products are sent to consumers. Finally, after inspection, the fried bananas are boxed and prepared for transportation to retail and distribution points. Cartons are also marked and managed by barcode for easy tracking and control. The banana chip packaging process in the factory focuses on maintaining quality, protecting the product's flavor and crispness to ensure that each banana chip the consumer receives is the best. This is the entire process from the banana farm to the banana food factory. If you are a fan of this banana chips dish, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video more widely so that more people know about this interesting banana dish. Trending Farm will continue to learn more about modern food factories around the world in this video. Don't change the channel and stay with us.
The United States is the world's third largest producer and exporter of wheat, after Russia and the European Union, with 33.3 million tons of exports in 2022, 14% of the global total. It is expected that by 2024, the US will grow wheat on 31.7 million acres, accounting for 3.4% of the country's arable land area. Wichita, Kansas, is known as the wheat capital of the world, with 20,000 hectares of land. The farm owner carries out the wheat harvesting process using a John Deere X9 1450 machine with sharp blades, rolling jigs and conveyor belts. Powerful beaters separate seeds from stems, while sieves and fans remove impurities. Large tank and weighing system. When the bin is full, the truck driver dumps the wheat grain and transports it to the processing plant. I see that the boss is very satisfied with the use of machinery during the harvesting process on his farm. At the mill, the wheat is mixed, inspected and cleaned. The seeds are milled and screened to remove impurities. They are ground into white powder, removing the bran and germ. The factory produces 3 types of white flour high-protein bread flour, low-protein cake flour, and medium-protein all-purpose flour. The final product is packaged and distributed. Do you often use flour in your dishes? Share your recipes with us in the video comments section. In this section, we will explore the harvesting and processing of soybeans. Agricultural machinery equipped with rotating shafts and scrapers collects soybean plants into troughs while a crusher system crushes the stalks, returning them to the field. After harvesting, soybeans are loaded onto trucks through pipelines connected to harvesters. I think about 4 tons of soybeans were collected. These soybeans are then transported to the processing plant, where they undergo a shelling process. workers use elevators to drop beans into hoppers, which carry them to the crusher through pipes. The beans are mixed with hot water to cook and cooled in a vacuum chamber. The concentrated soybean mixture is separated by centrifugation, removing insoluble fiber and starch to be recycled as animal feed. Additional spices are mixed in before the soy milk undergoes quality testing, sterilization and packaging, ready for consumption. Soy milk in the US ranges from 1.5 to 5 USD, depending on type and weight. Can you guess this harvest season? How much money did the farm owner make from those soybeans? Did you notice the man digging the ground? That is cassava, also known by other names. This is an important food crop, with cassava flour consumption second only to cornstarch. Originating from South America, cassava is now commonly grown in tropical and subtropical regions. Usually harvested 8 to 12 months after planting, the farmer removes the leaves and cuts the stem close to the base. These tree trunks are bundled to prepare for the next planting season. The owner was driving an excavator, digging up cassava tubers, with the hard ground requiring workers to pull the cassava out manually. Transported to the processing area, cassava batches go through a washing process to remove mud and impurities, and workers peel them. They are then chopped and crushed using a centrifugal separator that separates the water from the raw powder. Dry in the oven and cool, experts ensure the moisture content of the dough is below 11%. Finally, cassava flour is packed into large bags for distribution. Are you curious where these sacks go? Share and comment for more updated answers in our upcoming videos. Coffee, beloved worldwide for its taste and mental boost, increases alertness, aids fat burning, and improves mood. This video explores how Americans harvest and process coffee. Subscribe to Modern Farm and enable notifications for more interesting videos. After 6 to 9 months, ripe red coffee cherries are carefully picked, with farm owners investing in costly harvesters. The cherries are washed, depulped, and the seeds dried under the sun. Specialized machinery mills and classifies the beans by size and quality. Roasting at temperatures below 180 degrees enhances flavor and aroma, with longer roasting reducing caffeine content. Finally, the beans are packaged or ground into powder for stores and cafes. Coffee production transforms raw cherries into finished coffee. Are you still following the journey of American farmers harvesting agricultural products with us? Comment number 1, let us know. Rice is the most commonly used food in the world. Andrus Farms, California, famous for its large rice cultivation area of up to 24,000 acres, about 9,712 hectares. Apply advanced farming techniques, use water-saving irrigation systems and renewable energy. The harvest season starts from November to April. The farm uses a Kubota DC93 harvester with a threshing and screening system with a large diameter threshing drum, which minimizes the loss of rice when operating the machine. The machine has a maximum capacity of 93 horsepower, along with a moving speed of up to 2.1 ms. and a cutting jaw width of up to 2.18 m. With these indicators, the owner is proud to be able to harvest tons of rice every day. After being harvested, rice is poured into the truck's tank and transported to the processing plant. They are poured into a mill to peel them. Then the white rice grains follow the conveyor belt to the container. The grinding process will create rice bran powder, which will fall through the sieve. Finished rice is packed into sacks and consumed. cocoa fruit, also known as cocoa pod, is the fruit of the cocoa tree, which is native to the tropical regions of Central and South America. The cocoa fruit is a large oval-shaped fruit that grows directly from the trunk or branches of the cocoa tree. The fruit contains about 30 to 50 cocoa beans, which are surrounded by a sweet, white pulp. The beans and pulp are the two main components of the cocoa fruit that are used in the production of chocolate and other cocoa-based products. Cocoa fruit is harvested when it reaches maturity, which can take between 5 to 6 months after flowering. Harvesting involves cutting the fruit from the tree using a machete or other tool. Once harvested, the cocoa fruit is opened and the beans and pulp are removed. The beans are then fermented, dried, and roasted before being processed into chocolate liquor, cocoa butter, and cocoa powder. The pulp, on the other hand, is often used to make juice or jam, or it can be eaten fresh. How many dishes have you experienced using this ingredient? Let's discuss in the comments section of this video. Harvesting cashews is a laborious process in which workers must carefully handpick the cashew nuts, the swollen stalks of the fruit, before separating the cashews housed in their hard outer shell. In larger scale operations, mechanical cracking machines are used to streamline the peeling process, ensuring efficiency and productivity. After peeling, cashew nuts go through many different processing stages to prepare for consumption. They are dried to reduce moisture, peeled to remove the thin, dark skin covering, and graded based on size, color, and quality. Roasting, another essential step, enhances the flavor and texture of the beans while removing residual moisture. Innovation in cashew processing has led to the creation of a wide variety of products, including seasoned cashews, cashew butter, and even dairy-free cashew cheese. Thank you for watching our video. If you find the content useful, click like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting videos. click the notification bell to receive the latest updates from us. Thank you for your support.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. So since we don't really have any clue of what kind of difficulties that you could be facing in your farms, please don't forget to share all the problems you're facing and obstacles you're going through, as this will tremendously help us with our upcoming videos.